Hello! Hey learner, welcome to Mama Does It All. So we are doing these teeny weeny lessons to learn high frequency words through teeny weeny sentences. We have done 2 lessons already. In this lesson, we are going to see the last 11 words from the Dolch high frequency words pre-primer set. And make sure you observe the spellings as usual. Alright, let's get started. Help. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. You should help your mom in the house. Find. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Can you find my pet? Jump. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Sam loves to jump up and down. Little. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Say with me. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. My baby brother is still little. Look. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Come on, repeat it. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look at the flying kite. Make. Make. Make is a long A. Say with me. M-A-K-E. Make. Mama, can you please make cupcakes? Funny. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. Can you say it with me? F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. The clown is really funny. Not. Not. N-O-T. Not. Reena does not like broccoli. Play. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Can you say that with me? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Come, let us play in the park. Said. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. My dad said I am his little princess. Where. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Say it with me. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Where can you find stars? Good job, you learner. And we will meet in the next lesson to see some of the words from the primer set of Dolch high frequency words list. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.